IPAC for Staff. Module 6, Environmental Cleaning. Environmental cleaning is an important way to reduce the number and amount of infectious agents, which reduces the risk and transmission of infection in staff and clients. Cleaning removes microorganisms using water and detergents, but does not kill the microorganism. Disinfection actually kills microorganisms. Different areas in the health unit have to be cleaned and disinfected differently. Clinical settings use a specific product, but for other cleaning, we use Roxton wipes, which is great for office space, meeting rooms, tables, and other objects like pens, phones, and keyboards. Little things add up to a lot and is part of the way we do business at HKPR. Here's how to use Roxton wipes. No gloves are needed, but if you have skin that is easily irritated, use gloves or wash your hands after using the wipes. To disinfect hard, non-porous surfaces, thoroughly wet the surface. It must remain visibly wet for 5 minutes in order for disinfection to occur. If a desk or table is dirty or has food stuck on it, clean the table or desk before disinfecting. This could mean using one Roxton wipe to remove the dirt or food, then re-wipe with a new wipe to disinfect it. For surfaces that may come in contact with food, the manufacturer's recommendation is to rinse the surface with water after disinfecting. Make sure the lids are always closed after using. Otherwise, the product will dry out and won't disinfect surfaces effectively. If you notice a Roxton container is empty, send an email to the IPAC committee at ipac@hkpr.on.ca.